I have a Kawasaki Mule 4010. This is a 2017 model, special edition with four-wheel drive. I'm not sure if that matters at all. This may apply to other mules. I don't know exactly which it does apply to and which it doesn't, but I wanted to make a quick video showing the location of diagnostic connectors below the seat. The front of the vehicle is to my left, and underneath the seat on the left side of the vehicle, there are these two diagnostic connectors. This one is the EPS connector to the rear, and this one is the Kawasaki diagnostic system, I think it is. In any case, the EPS is related to the power steering system. This connector has 4 wires going to it, a blue, black with a yellow stripe, green, and white. And this connector, which I believe is related to the fuel injection system and possibly other systems as well, includes a white wire with a yellow stripe, a black wire with a yellow stripe, a light blue wire with no stripe, and a light green wire with a black stripe. That's the KDS connector. This is the EPS connector.